The journey of MAUJI Makhana begins in the fertile wetlands, where the magnificent black diamond plant blooms with vibrant purple flowers. As the purple petals begin to wither, where the magnificent black diamond plulops blooms with vibrant purple flowers. Between August and October, the harvest begins. Skilled hands dredge the pond floor to glooms with vibrant purple flowers, thoroughly washed to reveal their true dark shine. Every seed is meticulously prepared, ready for the magic of MAUJI Makhana. Sorted by size, only the finest seeds are chosen. Slow roasting prepares them for the perfect pop. This is MAUJI Makhana. Expert hands guide the seeds through the double roast. Intense heat creates the perfect, dramatic pop. Pure and white, ready for MAUJI Makhana.